KPIX 5 News at 5 begins right now with that South Bay measles scare. Good evening. I'm Alan Martin.
And I'm Veronica Dela Cruz. The ill traveler made multiple stops in public places, including the Apple Visitor Center in Cupertino and the Hoover Tower observation deck at Stanford.
KPIX 5's Len Ramirez live at another location on the list, which is a San Jose IHOP restaurant. Len?
That's right. This IHOP restaurant on North 1st Street in San Jose was just one of the places that this infectious person visited over a 7-day period. Diners at this IHOP restaurant had no idea that a person contagious with measles had eaten here on Saturday morning, March 16th, between 9:30 and noon, potentially exposing others during that time.
They should have, at least on the window, at least on the front window, or a sign that says that there was measles present, you know. So I'm quite shocked. I'm really disgusted right now.
He's had his measles shot, so he's protected, but she has not been immunized.
Kind of scary now, but definitely get myself checked out. I do not want the measles.
They both looked over a list of places the infectious person visited and fortunately were not at the same places at the same times. But despite being sick, the traveler kept a very busy schedule, according to the health department, including such popular places as the Hoover Tower observation deck at Stanford, the Apple Visitor Center in Cupertino, and the Il Fornello restaurant in Santa Clara. The list also includes a T-Mobile store in Sunnyvale, a Poke Bowl in Palo Alto, Walmart in Mountain View, plus Macy's Valley Fair and the Great Mall in Milpitas. In all, 20 locations between March 16th and March 22nd where people could have been exposed.
Some people are not protected from measles, and at the top of that list are babies.
Health officer Dr. Sarah Cody says although measles immunization runs at over 96% among school-aged children and adults in Santa Clara County, there are vulnerable populations.
So if a family happened to be traveling with their baby to one of these places where the infectious person was, they should be watching for symptoms. Or anyone else who's not protected from measles for whatever reason and was in one of these places where they could have been exposed, they should also watch for symptoms.
And those symptoms include the telltale rash around the face, Alan, also a very high fever, and sometimes a cough is also associated with the measles.
All right, Len Ramirez in San Jose, thanks so much. And we have posted the full list of the locations that the person visited, along with specific dates and times. It's quite an extensive list, but you'll find it on KPIX.com.